Hi, I'm Jay Gron, Senior Manager in Solution Design and Services. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what you may know as tech support or pre-sales technical solutions, and today, Solution Design and Services. That's right, we've changed our name. You knew us as tech support, but we've decided by the value that we add and the services we provide, that Solution Design and Services more accurately reflects what we offer you, our partners, to grow together. So who are we? As I said, tech support, but what does that mean? How does that mean to you, potentially a new partner? So my team consists of over 200 certified technical associates located across 3 different countries, building and designing solutions for you. So if you have a technology need for something that today you're unsure of or have questions about, you pick up the phone and you give my team a call. We have over 2,300 certifications spread across those 200 plus individuals across those 3 countries that are here whose sole purpose is to build these solutions and make sure we're capturing everything that we can for you, our partners. When we do this, we'll talk to you. We'll talk to your customers. We'll bring everybody together to truly ensure that we have everything necessary to build a solution. So how does that flow work? How can we describe that a little bit better for you? So today, you pick up the phone, you give us a call. When one of our associates answers, they're going to ask you, what are you trying to do? What's the goal? What's the environment that you're operating in? So the goal is not to just be a Q&A machine, right? The goal is to be a value add provider and service for you to ensure you're not leaving money on the table, that you're offering complete solutions to your partner. That could be anything from going a cable to a switch, to access points, to security devices, to storage, to servers. It's never ending, and our technicians are all trained to help you identify which pieces of that business you can capture. When you reach out to us, we're going to ask those questions. We're going to build that solution quote together. When you're unsure, we're going to ask if you can conference in your customer, just to make sure we have everything necessary. Now, when we bring them on, we can identify ourselves as you or as Ingram Micro. That's your call. What we want to do is make you as powerful as possible to your customer to inspire the confidence necessary to get in there and win that business. Once we build that solution out, we send it over to you so you have it for reference. We give you a reference number. If there's ever a follow-up question, adjustment, or things you want to have added, you can call us back with that reference number and we can add it. Other things we're going to put in those quotes are going to be links for trainings or certifications that you may be inquiring about. How do we enable you to sell that in the future? So we can help you on that path too. But this is really going to help you cover areas of the business that today you may not be able to effectively support, and we're going to help get you there. We're going to cover those gaps. And when you want to take it on yourself, we're going to help you go that path as well. So the goal is to encompass that full solution. And when you're doing this and you call and you ask, like, well, how do I even know where to call or who to get a hold of? So our technicians are broken out into different category groups. So we're going to have networking, servers, printing, power. There's different help desks and even specific vendor support, such as Juniper or an HPE or a Cisco. So we have different dedicated lines if you know specifically the vendors that you're looking for. But if you don't, you can call a general extension, say, hey, I need help with this. I don't really understand the power piece because I just do networking. We could help fill that in. And once you're done talking to the technician about that, they're going to ask follow-up questions because they're trained on not just that one technology, but how the associated technologies around that work together. That's to make sure you're not missing a critical component, a critical cable to operate between a server and a storage device, or get you the most throughput or the securest level of connectivity that you can provide, whether it's a HIPAA or PCI, it doesn't matter the requirements. Our technicians are trained on all of that. So our team is trained on all those different compliance requirements. They understand the HIPAA, the PCI, and when you call into storage or servers or whatever it might be, they're going to talk to you about that. So it's not going to be which one do I connect to. It also helps if you sell into one type of space. We can help you sell the same technology into an adjacent space that you may not have considered yourselves. We're here to help you break that out. Part of the big value that we really provide is that we're going to put multiple pieces together. It's not just the security piece. It's not just the storage piece. If you're doing security, where are you backing this data up to? Is it on-site or off-site? Does it need to go in the cloud, right? And for us, falling further into that, cloud, right? When you call in, our storage team is trained on cloud. Server, same thing, right? If you call into one of our other cloud desks, they're going to talk to you about that specifically. But if you call into any of our general help desks, they're aware of where this sits in the cloud. If you're going for an IoT solution, what vendors or manufacturers are in that space on that technology desk, they're going to help you get there with that. They'll help put you in touch with the right people and the right resources to get that whole solution built together. So the goal is, give us a call, talk to one of our technicians, and they'll get you to anybody else that's necessary on our team and build it out together, right? So it's a single stop for everything you're going to need technically. And then you're thinking, well, how do I know that this is going to have an impact on my business? What does this mean as I talk to my end customers, or how will this impact my sales portfolio? So we've had that question. We actually did a survey, not a survey, but more of a test with one of our partners. And we had the partners split their business into half of their sales organization using SDNS and the other half not, just to see what's going to happen. What's the real impact that our team has when we're talking about sales? So the half that didn't use my team grew about 13.5%. The half that did use my team grew 65%. 65% is fantastic. And it wasn't selling the same product that they had always sold. It was asking these probing questions, understanding the true opportunity, not leaving money on the table. Right? It's making sure that we capture that for you and make sure that you're not leaving that on the table or letting your competition come in and ask and fill in your piece of the solution, right? We want you to win as much business as we can help you get. Now, an engagement question is obviously next. Well, this is a fantastic service. How do I get it? What do I do? Or how do I leverage it appropriately? So all partners coming into Ingram Micro get SDNS access complimentary for the first 90 days. After that, if you purchase $187K in a 3-month period or $750K for over a 12-month period, you get an entire year of access, right? So you get 3 months, or you can get 12 months. But the real big solution is it's available for everybody. If you don't, so the big thing to remember is everyone has a way to access the team, right? Whether you're new, existing, value add, premium partners, we're here to help you out. If you don't qualify for complimentary, we sell call packs where you can reach out and give our team a call, and they'll help you build it out based on how many opportunities or solutions you're going to be looking for. We want to make sure that we're here to help support you. Outside of that, it's what's next? What other things can you do? We'll do wireless heat maps or site surveys, as some people call them. We have bid preparation desks where you can call us and we can help you with different bid work. We have a VIP program, which is pretty engaging around people that are looking for that next level of support. So, hey, I really want to have somebody that understands my business technically, right? How do I get someone that can understand my needs and specifically what I try to do when I talk to my customers? So our VIP program gives you access to an associate that could be shared or fully dedicated all day, every day, focus on growing and developing and supporting your business technically. These people can be within your organization from an email perspective, daily sales and conference calls. You can delegate tasks such as, hey, reach out to this end customer. They have questions around how this stuff works. Sales calls. We all have been on calls where we need a pretty knowledgeable person to help us through a gap. Great resource to be on there from the start of the call, beginning of the call, or, hey, I need to bring somebody on at the end of the call. Right? They're really there to help make sure that we can train, educate, and give you that visibility to win. Different pricing programs are available around that, but this really helps supplement your technical resources. If you have a gap in knowledge or understanding, if you lose a high value resource, this is an easy way to bring somebody in that's already knowledgeable, has a certification path on the technology that you're looking for. Same thing, it could be cloud, it could be server, storage, networking, security, it could be whatever area you're looking to get into or fill the gap of. We take the management burden off the gap in case somebody does leave. As I mentioned, we have a few hundred certified technical associates that can back this person up. So when you get into this program, it's not just getting one person, but you're getting a team of certified individuals. They're going to help you win the business, understand your needs, communicate, and even train your team, right? Get you into those new technologies by being on those calls, putting training plans together on your calls in your organization, videos, resources, help navigate you to that next level. And when we're looking at next steps, it's really giving us a call. Make sure you reach out if you have any questions, you want to better understand how to get a hold of the right people, the right solutions. You reach out to myself, Mark Pantling. We have a lot of people that are really waiting and eager to help you with your solutions and getting you to that next level. Again, it's a partnership. I look forward to hearing from you, and I really appreciate you taking the time to listen and hear what we have to say and offer to you, our value add partners.